Hello students, today we will start a new lesson, addition with carrying. Before starting the chapter, I would like to explain how to regroup. You already know that 110 is equal to 10 ones. Now we will see 11 is equal to 10 plus 1 and 10 means 110. So 11 is equal to 110 plus 1 1. 12 is equal to 110 plus 2 ones. 13 is equal to 110 plus 3 ones. 14 is equal to 110 plus 4 ones. 15 is equal to 110 plus 5 ones. 16 is equal to 110 plus 6 ones. 17 is equal to 110 plus 7 ones. 18 is equal to 110 plus 8 ones. 19 is equal to 110 plus 9 ones. Like this you can regroup. Now we will see carrying tens. Let us see first example. 59 plus 16. So first you have to add ones. 9 ones plus 6 ones. Count 6 fingers after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is your answer? 15. 15 means 1 tens and 5 ones. So write 5 in ones column and 1 is carried over to the tens column. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is your answer? 75. Let us see one more example. 34 plus 57. Count 7 fingers after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write 1 in ones column and 1 is carried over to the tens column. 5 plus 3, 8 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So what is your answer? 91. One more example we will see. 328 plus 33. Take out your 3 fingers. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11. So write 1 under ones and 1 is carried over to the tens column. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And in hundreds column only 3 is there. So write 3 as it is. So what is your answer? 361. Now we will see carrying hundreds. Let us see first example. 3452 plus 4374. So what is your first step? Add the ones. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Now add the tens. 5 tens plus 7 tens is equal to 12. So write 2 in tens column and 1 is carried over to the hundreds column. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And now add the thousands. 3000 plus 4000 is equal to 7000. So what is your answer? 7826. Now we will see second example. 2565 plus 1245. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So write 0 in ones column and 1 is carried over to the tens column. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So write 1 in tens column and 1 is carried over to the hundreds column. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. And now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Let us see one more example. In this example, 3 numbers are given. And as I taught you that you cannot add all 3 together. So, don't add at a time. First add 2, then you will get answer and in that answer you add the third number. Now we will start from ones place. Now here see. 7 plus 7 plus 9. So first do 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. And 16 plus 7 is equal to, count 7 fingers after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So write 3 in ones column and carry 2 to tens column. Now 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. And 15 plus 7 is equal to 22. So write 2 under tens and 2 is carried over to the hundreds place. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And now 4 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now we will see carrying thousands. Let us see first example. 3625 plus 3841. What is your first step? Add the ones. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now add the tens. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Third step is add the hundreds. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So write 4 under hundreds column and 1 is carried over to the thousands place. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Next example is 3726 plus 1901 plus 537. Start with ones place. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So write 4 under ones column and carry 1 to 10. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Now 7 plus 9 plus 5. So add first 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14 and 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. So write 1 in hundreds column and 2 is carried over to the thousands place. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6. What is your answer? 6164. In this example, 4 numbers are given. Now add with the ones place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 9 plus 3, 12. So write 2 in ones column and 1 is carried over to the tens column. Now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 3, 14 and 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. So write 5 in tens column and 1 is carried over to the hundreds column. Now 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1, 11. And 11 plus 3, count 3 fingers after 11, 12, 13, 14. So write 4 under hundreds column and 1 is carried over to the thousands place. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 and 6 plus 2, 8. So what is your answer? 8452. Now we will see story sums. I am reading first example. Look here. Shrikant scored 85 marks in English, 87 marks in science and 92 marks in maths. Find the total marks. In this example, English marks, science marks and maths marks are given and we have to find out total marks. So what you will do? We have to do addition here. So what is your first statement? Marks scored in English is equal to 85. Marks scored in science is equal to 87. Marks scored in maths is equal to 92. Now add all three. Start with ones place. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So write 4 under ones column and 1 is carried over to the tens column. Now 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17 and count 9 fingers after 17. So count 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So write 26. Whenever you are writing 26, see to that 6 should be written in tens column and 2 will be written in hundreds column. So total marks scored by Shrikant is equal to 264. Second example is a library has 178 more fairy tales books than comics. If it has 396 comics, how many fairy tale books does it have? What is given in this example? In this example, number of comic books are given and that is 396 and number of fairy tale books are more than comics. By how much? By 178. So what you have to do? You have to add 178 in 396. Then only you will get the number of fairy tale books. So what is your first statement? Number of comic books is equal to 396. And then number of fairy tale books is equal to 396 plus 178. Now add the ones. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. So write 4 under ones column and 1 is carried over to the tens column. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. So write 7 under tens column and 1 is carried over to the hundreds column. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So what is your answer? 574 fairy tale books are there in the library. Now next example is a shop has 3575 DVDs of Hindi films and 3455 DVDs of English films. How many DVDs does it have altogether? Now what you have to do here? Number of Hindi films are given, number of English films are given, and we have to find out total. So what you will do here? Addition. What is your first statement? Number of DVDs of Hindi films is equal to 3575. Second statement. Number of DVDs of English films, that is 3455. And third statement is total number of DVDs. To find out the total number, we have to do addition. Start with ones place. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So write 0 under O and 1 carry over to the tens column. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So write 3 here and 1 is carry over to the hundreds column. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10. So write 0 in hundreds column and 1 is carried over to the thousands place. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. So what is your answer? 7030 DVDs are there. I hope you understood this. With this, I am winding up today's session. Thank you.